So you think you're not the creative type, huh? Just think about how creative you can be when you're trying to come up with a reason to get out of doing something. I know I need to make some prospecting calls, but I'm a customer care guy, and I want to make sure I'm taking care of my existing customers first. It's called a rationalization.
Don't knock rationalization. Where would we be without it?
And in sales, it might as well be called a deal killer. I like to think of myself as a creative guy. And to prove it, I can come up with a whole list of reasons why I shouldn't do something that deep down I'm really supposed to do. Like asking for the sale, for example. Let me give you a scenario. You've been working with a prospect for a while. You like them, they like you back. You got a good rapport. They had some objections, but you handled them really well. And you get to that moment in the sales process where the voice in your head says, this is a good time to ask for the sale. Listen, when that voice speaks, you better act, and act quickly, because the longer you wait to respond, the more you give room for other voices to pop into your head. And what are those other voices going to say? Don't do it. The nose knows, and the nose doesn't feel it right now. Now, what's really happening here? Well, the fact is, there's a sinister force at work. And that sinister force is called, you guessed it, a rationalization. Coming up with reasons why you shouldn't do what you know you're supposed to do. Those rationalizations serve the purpose of giving us a good reason why we should not do even that which is in the customer's best interest, like asking for the sale. Now, what do we do with this? Well, the key here is that you have to pre-program your head. You have to know in advance the negative stories that are bound to pop up. And you want to pre-program positive stories as a counterbalance.
I will sell this house today.
You want to program the positive voice. You want to be able to look at it and say, I will ask for that sale. I will do that which is uncomfortable. In fact, if I look at it this way, the rationalizations always pop up when we are uncomfortable. So what do we want to do? We want to use those moments of discomfort as triggers to propel us forward. That is, when we're feeling uncomfortable, it's a sign. It's a sign that we are on the right track. But if we give way to that discomfort and rationalize why we should not do it, we will never serve our customers' best interest. Program the positive voices. Decide in advance how you will deal with that discomfort. Once again, another episode of the 5-Minute Sales Training. We sure hope you're enjoying it. Subscribe, please. It helps us get that count up, and it helps us get the story out to more and more people. You can also go over to jeffshore.com and click to receive our Saturday morning video newsletter every Saturday morning. What a great way to start your weekend. Until next time, learn more to earn more.